got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got love like an ocean. I've got love like an ocean. I've got love like an ocean in my soul. I've got love like an ocean. I've got love like an ocean. I've got love like an ocean in my soul.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Persian Kids. Today we are going to make a skirt.
Hadassah and Hananiah worked very hard on their skirts for Friday so that they can have it well prepared for our nature walk on Sabbath. So we are just taking a Sabbath walk and looking at the beautiful sceneries of nature. So come along with us.
Keep right. Hello, Bobo. Hey, Bobo. Come on, boy. Hello, donkey.
Go touch it. You have to wind it out.
And let's go.
big donkey. Prince are just provoking. Stay no Prince. Hey, don't wait me. Alright, let's go. And let's go! Explore.
What you found there? It resembles a mango leaf, but it's not a mango. A black snake. See, on our trip, boys and girls, that is why it's so important to stay calm. Now we are experiencing this very this black snake. Don't ball on this road.
Thank you, Lord.
And that is why we have to keep our eyes open at all times. So we are going to let the black snake go its way, and then we can proceed.
I think step on there. Let's see.
Little things of nature that shows how a wonderful God we
Look,
serve.
what's running?
Amen.
Look at that. Can I see that?
Beautiful, right?
Yep.
The little things of nature.
Feels so fluffy, right?
Yes, the feel of this is really amazing. And this is from the tree above.
Trumpet. We call them trumpet.
Back in the tree, or it's maybe from another tree that has blown. But what a mighty God we serve, right? Let's go again.
So, for this.
It resembles a mango
Yeah.
leaf, but it's not a mango.
Anna, can you look? Look at Anna. That looks so beautiful. Yeah. And green.
There are so many things in nature that we pass by every day without even stopping to think about it. But today it's a little different. So while we walk, we are looking at little things, we are finding little things and reflecting it upon God. Come along. Long walk, and you know something, we have no water. So here's an opportunity, just like the children of Israel, for us to depend upon God for our water while we're on this long journey. Every time we come off of the path, dangers allure us on every side.
So that's just like how when I was watching a kind of movie, the children disobey their parents and the parents say, do not go on the end of the trail. Just stay right at the end, just stay right there and don't go no further. So the boy will encourage them to go further and they lost the path.
Right, stay on the path, boys and girls.
Never go far away, your parents can't see you. Here's something. A berry, this could teach us our next lesson. Do not eat any type of things that you see. Not all things is good for us to eat. Some things is poisonous. So, I do not know what it is, but please do not eat it. At times you may stumble.
Yeah.
Okay, what's up?
Alright, let me help you. Get caught. Come first.
Okay.
Alright. And sometimes you have to help fellow pilgrims.
So now, reach on at the end of the road. Look how beautiful these trees on the ground look. Look at these. This looks so nice. Prince. So these flowers, let me see if I can show you. Like that.
Beautiful. Don't go too close.
And I think they'll reach them.
So we have reached out the road, but the journey is not over yet.
Yes.
Now we are seeing a very important sign that is saying single lane traffic. Now within the trail of the Celestial City that leads to the Celestial City is either there's only a single lane, but it's either we are going towards the Celestial City or we are walking away from it. Which lane or which direction are you facing?
Oh, you have to pick which way are you going. So now we are by a Y. Either we going so, either we going so. Are we following Prince or are we following my sister? I think we're going, let's say straight.
Bats, you know, for sure. How many reading? One fast. So historic. That isn't egg, but it's rotten. No. Sit, Nini. So right God provides food for us. Banana plant, all you need is to plant it once. And then suckers will keep on coming up and bearing. Coming up and bearing. What a mighty God we serve. No picking it, Nini. So we have here Hananiah is complaining for water. And she said, let's go buy some water. But I say, no, today's Sabbath. We have to depend upon God for it. So we are still trusting God. We are not complaining like the Israelites.
Because the Israelites had go.
So while we are doing our walk, we are going to give out. Why not ask God about the Sabbath and step to Christ? Alright, let's go. You? Alright, have a blessed day. Yes. No, wait till we give out all first. And then. Oh, you give me. Morning. Just want to leave a book with you. How are your day going so far? Amen. Love the shed. Here we have Hananiah excited to give the lady. Go. Vinny. Run. Hi, good day. Can you do a book to read? Alright. Give him my paper. Alright. Wait. You read on your spare time? Prince, come. No. But it's dirty. Yeah, you can swim in there. Yeah, boy, it's true. Huh?
Yes.
Alright, so this sign says no littering. The fine for littering is $1,000 or 6 months in prison. I wonder if the sign that read like no sinning. Every time you sin, you pay $1,000 or 6 months in jail. I wonder how much of us would have keep going sinning. got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got love like an ocean. I've got love like an ocean. I've got love like an ocean in my soul. I've got love like an ocean. I've got love like an ocean. I've got love like an ocean in my soul.